It reminds me of like the rib cage of a whale. We found the best vantage point in all of SUR to watch the sunset from.
Our next stop on our Oman road trip is the tranquil fishing town of SUR. SUR is considered to be one of the oldest ports and maritime cities in the world. Located on the Gulf of Oman, SUR historically played a crucial role as a center of trade. By the late 6th century, it had well-established trade exchanges with East Africa through its port, later expanding its reach across the Arabian Sea to India and China. It was also famous as a center for construction of dhows, an Arabic word given to describe a range of sailing ships used for long and short distance travel. Although SUR's role at the center of sea trade has faded over the years, local shipbuilders still handcraft dhows of all sizes today at the Dhow Factory in SUR. We made this factory our first stop of the day to get a taste of SUR's rich sea trade history.
Okay. We are at the SUR boat factory, and this is where they make dhow-style boats. So we're gonna get a chance to see how they make these boats inside and just really enjoy the craftsmanship of it.
Before checking out the boats under construction, we first stopped by the museum to learn more about the history of dhow manufacturing in SUR.
We're on a ganja-style dhow, and this was actually used for cargo transport and open sea travel. There are a bunch of model dhows that are much smaller that represent the different styles of boat that have been created throughout the years, and those are differentiated usually through the rudder style as well as the head of the boat and the back of the boat.
The coolest part about this place is you can actually see the dhow boats being manufactured, so let's go check that out outside.
With the construction of the Suez Canal, SUR's part in sea trade and ship manufacturing has waned. The number of dhows built has decreased considerably, but the shipbuilding tradition remains alive. The factory works on building only 2 or 3 dhows at a time. They're built to order, mostly used for the tourism industry, but some are commissioned by prominent figures including King Abdullah of Jordan and Tim Severin, a well-known explorer and author.
Well, I'm a responsible human being, so I will take the responsibility of climbing up the boat.
The ships are made out of Burma teak and Ghaith, a local desert tree. Many traditional techniques remain in the construction process despite the introduction of more modern methods.
Oh, wow. Okay. This is cool. It reminds me of like the rib cage of a whale. It's just massive.
And it's rare for any schematics to be used in construction. All of the knowledge for building these ships is held within the local shipbuilders.
We take like 2 of me, maybe even 3 to get to the top of what's already constructed here. Yeah, you don't want to step on one of those. This is something I just did not expect coming here. I didn't think you would actually be able to get up into these boats. But as long as you climb under your own responsibility, you're good. Ooh, this is such a cool view. Hello. Oh, you're so sweet. I love the puppies. Guess we're driving up onto the beach, just like all the locals.
While SUR can be pretty quiet during the day, the city's corniche and beach come alive in the evening hours.
We're soaking in some of the sun and just enjoying watching some of the locals hang out after school and work. So there are a lot of folks here playing soccer, people out here fishing, some dogs running around. So it's kind of a cool, chill scene.
Everybody loves the big camera.
Some of the old dhow boats that we saw this morning, they're out in the water. It's kind of cool to see them actually in the water.
Yeah, see them actually sailing and in action. It's very cool. And here it is totally fine for you to come up and park on the beach, which I have actually never seen before. So this is a first. We're gonna try to catch the sunset while we're out here. We're scoping out a vantage point right now. So stay tuned for that and enjoy the beach scenes.
SUR also has some incredible sunset views and many locations to view it from. We chose Ayjah Watchtower as our spot to watch the sunset from and take in some sweeping views of the city.
So do you think all of this was the ocean? Because I just found shells. They're everywhere.
Yeah, they're all over the ground. And the ocean is beyond that rock over there by where the bridge is.
Yeah. Oman.
Oman. You want to start the ascent?
Yeah.
Final ascent?
Let's do it.
Okay, we're going up to that watchtower over there.
Wow, we just made it all the way up here.
I think we found the best vantage point in all of SUR to watch the sunset from. It's probably another 20 minutes away, so we're just gonna enjoy our time up here. The city looks amazing from up here.
Very relaxing. That is how I can summarize it. Alright, enjoy the sunset. I hope you enjoyed that sunset. That is all for us from SUR. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye!